Okay.
Girl, you Ratchet. Oh my god. Dork. Oh.
Come down.
You can open it. I have little hands. Oh. Oh. It's so cute.
What is it? What is it?
It's my bento box. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Cookie, what'd she get?
Where'd you get that from? Table. Mom. Ooh.
Oh, it's so cute. It's so little.
Oh, I love them. Look at Mom, where'd you get that?
I got it for her.
Why don't you get me anything?
Because I get you games all the time.
You never got me a game in over 2 months. No, you move.
Back
Move
that
away
ass
from
up,
me.
Junior.
Back your
Oh my
ass
goodness.
up.
Oh.
Oh,
It's
me,
all in
Missy.
Japanese.
I know. Oh my gosh. Except for Lunchbox. Oh, I love the design. It's so oriental. Mom, could you get me something? She'll get you a bento box too.
That face.
That face.
In his underwear. Uh-oh. He's freaking out.
Actually, I'm bottling and distributing lumpy gas. And I'm up for a big contract here in the kingdom, which could really help my business take off.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's so cool. You're like your own boss or whatever. To be honest, I'm a little nervous about this meeting tomorrow.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bad at talking.
What are you doing?
That's because you have poor posture. Really? You gotta stop slouching. Now look me in the eye. Yeah, sit like that. Boy, LFP, you sure are making me feel good about myself. You feeling good makes me feel good, Johnny. So, what are you saying while you're in town? I'm subletting the
Cookie.
Talk is cheap, Johnny. You should take me there.
Cookie. Cookie.
That chair? Oh, it used
Cookie.
to be over there,
Kisses.
but I moved it.
Cookie.
Johnny, it's so nice. You really made it.
Oh my god. Sango. What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing, Sango?
Punch me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You punched me.
Sango.
Sango.
Okay.
What is that, Sango?
She's beating me.
She's mad.
This is face on your body.
Sango. Sango's mad.
My friend.
She's so mad.
Hi.
Oh, she's kicking your ass.
Sango, don't beat me. Don't tase me, bro.
You're gonna sleep.
Woo, 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 woo.
What?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sango. Beat me up. Stop beating me up. No, you're so abusive towards me. You're a dick.
Oh, poor Sango. Told you wanted a little bit of chicken. Stinker.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. See, you freaked out that much. You just no. Maybe in a little bit. No.
I'm dreaming about you.
Fuck you. God, you're so mean. Ah!
No, Cookie! Cookie! Cookie!
Cookie monster.
Cookie!
Sango.
Cookie! Cookie, say hi to Mama. Huh? You miss Mama? You miss Mama? Huh? You miss Mama?
Cause I got.
Mm.
Oh, I guess she'll be the one who can.
Cookie.
Looking for someone. You're still here. Of course I am. Now make me some breakfast.
Aww. What about Sango?
Where you got your chicken?
I know, and I care about him too. I know you do. I'm sorry. Right, why don't you fill in Piper? Really mad at me because you lied to me. No, you're really mad at me because as far as you're concerned, I was slacking off yesterday, which is pretty much
careful.
Super sparkler.
Spin the bottle on him. This is my new.
Oh, come on. There. The timing on that, though. I'm not good at dancing. I don't know what you want me to do. I'm not dancing. I'm going to
These are really pissed
Yeah, this one's not as good as the first one.
Point it at your face, pussy.
Oh, come on. As soon as I'm in position.
No balls.
No.
Holy fuck.
We're going to time it. Yeah. What's that? Your turn, Mexican. All right. This is what we're doing. We're going to run and turn.
You do it first, bro. I think it's done.
Takes the cake. It's like, fuck. I'm sorry, babe. We went to the comedy club last night.
Oh, come on. It's what she does later tonight. I'll behave.
It was last night.
Okay, I did. I'm just teasing. Oh, there's my sheep. Oh, they're not really sheep, but that's the best that gets me here. Hi, ladies.
What was that coworker quote? If I died in a car, it was, you know that I died smiling or something like that.
Yeah, I'm not smiling.
It's the same kind of car, right?
I'm not dying smiling.
Is this the same kind of car, actually? I think this was mid-engine. This one.
Hey, even their shitty ones are fun to drive. Same with the Corvettes.
Oh, that's not the good.
I drove one of their shitty Corvettes. I had a blast. Light for fast and fun, you know.
Well, shit, I had the last speeding ticket I got was in, no, it was in, that wasn't the Civic.
Wasn't?
No, that was my friend's Solstice. It was a Solstice Spider.
Look at my way.
She was like, hey, you can take it out.
It's alright.
Oh, there's a digital screen right there. I've been trying to read it off this tiny little.
I thought it was a Spanish car. Because who the hell is Manuel?
Jeez, a little past it right
Yeah, this place must have closed up. They used to sell a lot of used cars.
now. And you told me they used to steal cars and sell them.
I believe that. That's why I never bought it out there.
Road America's how far away?
Not far from where I'm going there.
Tight, too.
KK.
You recording already?
I
Go.
don't have a choice.
Ozzy?
Keep going. This is taking so goddamn long.
It's making me have to pee. Oh, it's not even fucking dry. It's just literally the driest level.
There it
It's as
is.
tight as it goes.
Come on, something cool. Suspense.
Totes not gonna happen.
We Googled this shit, so it should work. It should.
I mean, I did confuse like the driest pouring.
It's bubbling at the bottom. If I shake it a little.
What if you chuck it at the ground?
Do something. Shake it a little. Oh. Come on. Explode.
That thing is so fucking warm.
Dude, that is airtight too. I mean, I couldn't squeeze that. That's gonna go off any second. Dude, please, come on. Get this on Snapchat.
What if we like chucked it at the road?
It's gotta go off eventually, bro. Dude, any second, I swear to God.
Jostle the bottle again. You want me to get you a stick? Do you want me to get you something to play with it?
Work! Dude,
Dude,
look at that though. That is.
that definitely swollen is more swollen now than before you jostled it.
Squeeze it.
Fuck you mean squeeze?
I'm gonna chuck it at the road if it doesn't go in.
I'm doing it. I want to do it.
I want to do it.
Careful, not in anybody's car.
Oh, sorry, right in the fucking. Oh my God! I'm gonna get this just in case it goes off in your hand.
It's stuck in the fucking chair.
This was your idea. Let me know when you're ready. 3, 2, 1. You didn't explode, so we're throwing it. Wow, hold on. Dick move. Alright. Didn't explode, so we're throwing it. Go.